Guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I'm going to show you how you can set up an automatic marketing system that will run on autopilot in the background and generate you a consistent stream of customers, clients, or leads. Pinterest may seem like an outdated application that we used in the early 2000s in order to pin thousands of recipes that we never made and various prom dresses. However, Pinterest actually holds a huge potential for marketing your business online. I'm going to show you exactly how to set up this system, but it is going to require 3 different things that you need to set up first. Number 1 is going to be a Pinterest business account. Make sure that you set this up as a new account for your business. Do not use an old personal account. Why? Because you want to optimize it with keywords that are relevant to your target customers. Make sure that you give it a name, a description, as well as populate boards and board descriptions with various keywords that your target customers are going to be searching for or interested in repinning. Next, you're going to need to set up a free Canva account. Now, you can get a paid account if you want to use the premium features, such as access to more stock photos, removing the background on images, etc. But the free account is fantastic, so make sure you set that up. The third thing that you're going to need is going to be a Tailwind account. Now, Tailwind is a paid application. However, having this in order to automate this system is really what makes it effective. I'm going to show you how to set up the whole system so that you can get it up and running and doing your marketing for you. First, you're going to use Canva to create Pinterest graphics. Canva has a wide variety of Pinterest templates, so you simply click onto create a new project, select a Pinterest template, and start to customize it. Now, the key here is volume. You want to create a lot of different graphics. So even if it is for the same exact product, blog post, or piece of content, you want to create lots of different graphics. These graphics are going to link back to whatever you are trying to drive traffic to, whether it be your website, a product, a blog, a membership site, anything that you are trying to sell. So you are going to create a wide variety of different types of graphics, even if it is for the same one link or same one product that you're trying to sell. Next, go over to your Pinterest business account. From here, you are going to create a board where you're going to pin your graphics. Create your board here and make sure to title it something that is appealing to your target customers. Now, once you have created the board, you are going to customize it by adding a title and a description. Make sure that you embed lots of keywords that your target customers may be searching for on Pinterest or Google search. Once you have created your board, next step is going to be to pin those graphics that you have created in Canva. In the top hand right corner, you will be able to click Save this design, and you will then be able to select to publish it to Pinterest. Here you can link your Pinterest account directly, so you don't have to download these and upload them separately, but you merely need to select the board that you're going to pin it to, add a description, and then down at the bottom, make sure that you embed the link here that you are trying to drive your traffic to. Click Publish, and now the pin is published. Repeated this step with multiple pins that I created for this board. So now the board is populated with pins. The next step is going to be to join Pinterest group boards. A Pinterest group board is a board that has multiple creators join to it, adding content and resharing content. And oftentimes they come along with the requirement that you reshare the content that is in the board a certain number of times to join it. Now, there's a few ways you can find these. You can search organically on Pinterest for group boards, and you will notice that they have multiple different collaborators listed at the top. Or you can utilize a paid tool that cuts the process down and really simplifies it, makes it fast. The tool is called PinGroupie, and if you sign up for a paid account, make sure you cancel it once you have set up this automation. The next step is to log into your Tailwind account. From Tailwind, we are going to schedule these pins to repin automatically in a loop. Over on the left-hand side, we're going to click on the original publisher feature, and then we are going to click on our loops. From here, you can create a new loop which will repin your content. Here you can create a new loop, and what we're going to do is we're going to give this a name, and then we're going to select several boards that we want our content to be repinned to, making sure to include many group boards so that our content has as much of a reach as is possible. Next, we're going to click on this button to add pins to our loop. And I'm going to go ahead and select all of the pins that I would like to be looped. Now, if there are any errors in your board, then you're going to see those pop up right here. Once we publish those changes to that loop, then we're going to see those images populate in our scheduling tool over here on the right-hand side. Tailwind will automatically space them out and repin them month after month. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you will be setting up this system.